Hi everyone, we're here at the Malaysian Auto Show 2023 and we're taking a look at the cheapest EV you can buy in Malaysia right now. This is the Neta V by the Chinese company Horizon Auto. Let's take a closer look. Whereas all other electric vehicles cost well north of 100,000 ringgit, the Neta V is a budget EV priced at 99,800 ringgit. That means it competes against mainstream petrol-powered cars, things like the Honda City and Toyota Vios. And that's not all. If you order this car at the Malaysian Auto Show 2023, you'll get a 10,000 ringgit cash voucher, effectively bringing the price down to 89,800 ringgit. Part of the reason why this car is so affordable is that it's small, smaller even than the Ora Good Cat. It's around the same size as the Peridot Myvi, but it's slightly narrower and its wheelbase is also shorter. It's also not very powerful. The single electric motor at the front produces just 94 horsepower and 150 Nm of torque. Neta claims an acceleration time of just 3.9 seconds, which seems impressive until you realize it's only from 0 to 50 km per hour. That's no surprise given that its top speed is 120 km per hour. The good news is that this car is very light. It weighs just 1,151 kilograms. That means it doesn't need such a big battery, 38.5 kilowatt hours, and that gives it a range of 384 kilometers on the NEDC cycle. Now that is a very outdated testing cycle and it's very lenient. I would say that its real-world range is closer to 300 kilometers, which is still quite impressive for the price. The Neta V also sports up to 100 kilowatts of DC fast charging, meaning you will get the battery from 30 to 80% in just 30 minutes. A 6.6 kilowatt AC wallbox charger will fully charge the car in 6 hours. To get this car to such a low price, Neta has had to cut some corners. The Neta V looks a little bit awkward. It's got a round body sitting on these skinny tiny 16-inch alloy wheels. You've got some nice details like these sharp halogen headlights, blacked out D-pillars and L-shaped taillights. Inside, you've got quite a basic cabin with lots of hard plastics, and there's no height adjustment for the seats and no adjustment at all for the steering wheel. Also, this instrument cluster is just this thin 12-inch monochrome LCD strip right against the windscreen. Still, you've got quite a nice steering wheel and this seat is pretty comfortable as well. And you have a massive 14.6-inch portrait touchscreen. Neta says that this car has screen mirroring technology that you can use with Android or iOS devices. But there is no Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in this car. Now, there are also not that many buttons anywhere in this interior. Everything is controlled through this touchscreen, including the air conditioning and even the lights. There also isn't that much in terms of features, but there is a vehicle to load function at up to 3.3 kilowatts, meaning you can charge devices and power some household appliances. Also, you can pretty much forget about driver assistance systems like autonomous emergency braking. You get just 2 airbags, stability control, and a reverse camera. So, there you have it. That's everything you need to know about the Neta V. What do you think? Are you excited for this car? Would you buy it over something like a Honda City or Toyota Vios? Let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and ring the notifications bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. We're going to be here at the Malaysian Auto Show 2023 all day, so let us know what else you'd like us to cover next. Thank you so much for watching. As always, stay awesome. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!